Spain's royal family made a striking appearance at the Hotel de la Reconquista in Oviedo, where King Felipe, Queen Letizia, Princess Leonor, and Infanta Sofía received the laureates of the 2025 Princess of Asturias Awards. This annual event, deeply rooted in tradition, continues to be a defining showcase of elegance, unity, and cultural prestige. All eyes were on the women of the Spanish royal family, who once again demonstrated the balance between protocol and modern style. Princess Leonor, celebrating a decade as honorary president of the foundation that bears her title, chose sophistication through simplicity. She rewore a perfectly tailored navy suit by Hugo Boss, the same she had worn during her recent engagement in Navarra. With its soft, structured cut and fluid silhouette, the look reflected confidence and maturity while maintaining youthful freshness. Navy blue, a tone she often favors, has become her signature. Elegant, versatile, and symbolic of serenity and composure. Image consultant Maria Moreta explains that navy conveys professionalism and authority, but also warmth, a fitting color for a young heir who embodies both grace and responsibility. Leonor complemented the outfit with classic black ballet flats, a discreet but deliberate choice that highlighted comfort and confidence over extravagance. Her jewelry was understated, gold hoop earrings by CXC, and a sleek PDP Ola gravity ring with fluid droplet ends. A natural touch of rose on her lips and soft eye definition added radiance without overpowering the moment. Her style communicated exactly what her role represents: poised, grounded, and ready for leadership. Infanta Sofía, in turn, made an equally refined statement in a vivid red trouser suit, a color long associated with Queen Letizia. Designed by Tommy Hilfiger from the Sophia capsule collection by Sofia Richie, the outfit featured a double-breasted blazer with gold buttons and straight, flowing trousers. The ensemble projected strength, energy, and youth, while subtly honoring her mother's preference for bold yet classic hues. Sophia's decision to wear flats in a nude slingback design once again reinforced her own personal identity: modern, confident, and practical. Interestingly, her outfit echoed the one worn by Princess Leonor in Lisbon during her first official trip abroad in 2024, a powerful reflection of sisterly connection and stylistic continuity. Queen Letizia, ever the ambassador of Spanish fashion, embodied timeless sophistication in an elegant gray suit from Mango's selection line, proof that style and diplomacy need not depend on extravagance. The double-breasted wool blazer and gently flared trousers combined minimalist tailoring with accessibility. It was a look she had worn before, notably at events celebrating Spanish journalism and public health, and by bringing it back, she emphasized sustainability and national pride. As communication expert Christian Salomoni observes, her sartorial choices project modernity and preparedness. Women of this century, capable of leadership and decision, representing the state through equality and professionalism. Queen Letizia completed her ensemble with her trusted Carolina Herrera Doma insignia satchel in black and Cezanne Mary Jane block heels, a design she has worn multiple times this year. True to her signature restraint, she wore only delicate jewelry: 18-karat rose gold Rayo iconic climber earrings by Barbara Gonaga, set with black diamonds. Her entire look encapsulated the essence of her public image: refined, intelligent, and quietly powerful. Together, the three royal women presented an image of unity and evolution, 3 generations of style seamlessly aligned, yet each distinct in personality. Their coordinated suits symbolized a shared message: that strength and femininity can coexist in harmony with tradition and modernity. In Spain's fashion narrative, few moments capture this balance as clearly as the Princess of Asturias audiences. The tailored suit, once a revolutionary statement by Coco Chanel and Yves Saint Laurent, has become a signature of the royal household, redefined by Letizia, Leonor, and Sofia as a modern emblem of female leadership. King Felipe's presence, as always, provided the tone of institutional dignity, while Queen Letizia and her daughters personified Spain's contemporary spirit, grounded, confident, and connected to their people. In every frame, from the poised movements of the royal family to the subtle harmony of their attire, the message was clear: Spain's monarchy continues to evolve with grace and purpose, intertwining heritage with a forward-looking vision. As Queen Letizia's legacy in Oviedo continues, her influence is unmistakable, not only through her work and presence, but in the empowered style she has passed down to her daughters. Today, Leonor and Sofia reflect that inheritance, confident, modern, and authentically Spanish. From fashion to symbolism, from diplomacy to tradition, the Princess of Asturias audiences once again demonstrate that elegance is not merely seen, it is communicated. As anticipation builds across Oviedo, the stage is now set for the Grand Princess of Asturias Awards ceremony. In just a few hours, the Campo Amor Theater will open its doors to celebrate excellence, talent, and dedication from around the world. Join us live for complete coverage of the 2025 Princess of Asturias Awards, a night of emotion, tradition, and timeless elegance shared by Spain's royal family and the distinguished laureates. Stay with us. The celebration continues.